Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little talk about the ARM processors that are really getting more powerful, but especially looking at the new Apple M4 processor and also comparing it to what Snapdragon X Elite. So, of course, there's a lot of Apple fanboys out there that are always coming on my channel saying, well, the Snapdragon is, really not good compared to Apple's M series, which means they don't really know that much about technology. Although the Apple M series are really powerful chips, the real benchmarks did show that the M3, which was the latest one benchmark from Apple, is not up to par to the Snapdragon X Elite. So this shows that the Snapdragon X Elite that's coming up for PCs with Windows is a truly powerful beast. Now, the new M4, how does it compare? Is it faster than the X Elite? There's no benchmarks yet, so we don't have any actual test info. Apple, of course, never gives real test info. They give these, like every company, these numbers that are out of the blue that don't mean that much. We know that it's more powerful than the M3, but what's been the problem with Apple M series is that although the M1 was great, the M2 is faster, but by not that much. The M3 is faster than the M2, but by even less. So we're wondering where the M4 is going to actually be in that series. What some are saying, because of the looking at the specs, carefully looking at how it was designed, that it probably will be close to the Snapdragon X Elite. Maybe going even a little faster, but not by that much. So the Snapdragon X Elite is out there with, still a lot of power. The only place where Apple will probably beat the Snapdragon with the M4 is on the graphics, the GPU side, which is going to be more powerful, that's for sure. But it is interesting to note here, and this is also one of the reasons of this video. If you look at the technologies now, where the only place where ARM chips were pretty much used were smart devices, smartphones, and stuff like that. And now it's entering the mainstream PC world. Look at all the Apple Macs that now are done with this chip, the M series, which is also the same number of chips that Intel will not sell because they're not into these PCs. And we are looking at something coming up that is pushing real hard the Snapdragon X Elite on the PC side. It's starting to look a little dangerous on Intel, because if these do take off and are very powerful and give us what we want, where is Intel going to be in there? That puts automatically a third competition. It was AMD versus Intel. Now it'll be AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm, and maybe even others. So that's where I think Intel needs to wake up and make sure that they jump on the possibilities ahead. Maybe even possibly design their own real powerful ARM chip, because they're going to be out of the game if nothing happens. So that's the little story here behind all of this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.